Happening now, University of Maryland is facing a courtroom battle over students' rights to demonstrate and hold events on campus.
Yeah, the group Students for Justice in Palestine suing the university after revoking a permit for an event to be held on October 7th.
And DC News Now's Randy Bass was in the courtroom in Greenbelt. She joined us live from the federal courthouse with details. Randy, what's the latest?
Yes, Mark and Annalisa, the courtroom battle here over the First Amendment is heating up as the clock ticks down toward that October 7th date when those events were initially scheduled. That date marking the one-year anniversary since the deadly Hamas attack on Israel that ramped up tensions in the Middle East for months to follow. Groups supporting Israel and groups supporting Palestine had reserved space on campus to demonstrate on October 7th, but the university reversed its decision to allow those events earlier this month, citing safety concerns. The university said they could still hold the events just on a different day. In court today, the University of Maryland police chief bringing up concerns about violence on other campuses, including nearby George Washington University that saw police, students, and outsiders clash this past spring. Also saying recent threatening language directed at the university about the October 7th events was unlike anything they've seen in the last year. The group says it's the university's job to protect them, and it hasn't been a problem in the past.
Horrific, locked and loaded, I'm coming for you, very specific, violent language. This is not an issue against our students. This is an issue of protecting our students.
I understand the reservations. I think that, UMD SJP has held, as they said in court, 70 events, and we have not had that issue.
And the judge's questions today mostly centering around the possibility of beefing up and adding security on campus around October 7th, saying that if they're able to do that, then those events may be able to take place as they were originally scheduled for October 7th. Though all of the arguments have been heard in this case, no more testimony going to be expected here in Greenbelt. The judge says he's going to issue a decision most likely by noon tomorrow. In Greenbelt, I'm Randy Bass, DC News Now.